On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. And then we're going to just go really like an inch by an inch. These are nice kind of square pieces. If you can get it into cubes, they're really good when you're putting them on the skewer. And they're nice size for people to take a bite into them. So you can see they're kind of this shape. So we can put the skewer in, and we usually put 2 on a skewer, so everybody gets, 2 nice bites of chicken when they pick up a skewer. So that's it for the chicken. The chicken is done. What I do with that then is we put it in with the marinade. So here we go. We picked it up, put it in there, and just mix it around. Get them well coated. And these are just going to sit in here. I'm not going to do it for as long as I usually do. I actually usually do it overnight, which is a great, if you have the time, I would recommend doing it overnight because the chicken really picks up the flavor and becomes sweet and gingery, and it's really delicious. So you could do it for an hour. You'll just get a less of a ginger taste, but it'll still be good. So here is the chicken. I'm actually going to cover it and then put it in the refrigerator. You should always marinate in the refrigerator.